Bienvenidos! So, in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, we thought that we would share some of the food that is popular in our culture. So we decided to try making una quesadilla salvadoreña. So this is my first time making it, and I think it came out pretty good. So let's get started. This is a recipe I found online. And some of the ingredients you're going to need is 1.5 cup of harina de arroz, half a cup of milk, half a cup of crema salvadoreña, half a cup of butter, 1 cup of queso fresco, half a cup of ricotta cheese, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and sesame seeds to sprinkle on right before baking. This recipe is pretty straightforward. The first thing you need to do is lightly beat your eggs. Afterwards, you can just start tossing everything into your mixing bowl and start mixing everything together. When it comes to baking, you can bake it in a regular cake pan if you choose to. I opted to bake it in a muffin pan because I wanted mine to come out smaller. Once your batter is in the pan, don't forget to sprinkle your sesame seeds at the top. Then pop it into the oven for 350 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes. This is what it should look like once out of the oven. They turned out pretty good. Hopefully they turn out just as good for you. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Let us know how it turns out for you.